Welcome back, everybody. Today we have another unboxing, and this time it's not a styling service. This is actually a fragrance subscription called Skylar Scent Club, and this is my first time ever trying them, but they really intrigued me, and I'm about to tell you why. So Skylar is a natural fragrance company that is free of SLS, parabens, phthalates, synthetic dyes, animal-derived ingredients, and allergens. So their scents are comprised of naturally derived and safe synthetics that are clean, eco-conscious, and hypoallergenic. They also have something called the Scent Club, which is what I have right here, and that's where they send you an exclusive fragrance each month, and it's $20, and they also offer free shipping and exchanges. I really like that they do the exchange part because you never know if you're gonna like something, even if you read the description and maybe it seems like you, but then you get it and you're like, I don't know, or maybe it just doesn't mesh well on your body. You can exchange it totally for free. So when you sign up, you take a little style quiz, and that helps personalize the scents to you and helps them recommend certain products for you specifically. And it's super flexible. You guys, you do not have to buy this every single month. It's a subscription, yes, but it is super flexible. You can skip the month, you can cancel the entire thing, you can exchange scents, say the one that is coming up this month isn't really your vibe, you can swap the scent for something else that they have available to you. So you don't have to be stuck with what they have for that specific month, or you can just not do it altogether. It's also extremely easy to make those adjustments. If you want to skip the month, for instance, you just log in, there's a button right there that says skip the month, and you click it and you're done. There's no having to go through the chat and try and talk to the person and they're trying to talk you into keeping the subscription for the month. There is none of that. It's all your choice. There's no pressure. You do not have to buy anything. For example, they sent me a preview of the May box and what that scent is going to be, and I just wasn't really into it. I didn't feel like it would really be the scent for me, so I decided to skip that month. I had the option to switch that scent with one of their other fragrances, but I just didn't decide to do that this time for financial reasons. Another nice perk of being a member of the club is that you also get discounted rates. So they don't just sell fragrances, they also sell body care like body lotion, deodorant, stuff like that. So if you are into that sort of thing and you want to add some stuff onto your monthly box, you certainly can, and you'll save some money. Okay, I think I've rambled on enough now, so let's open this box and we're going to find out what the April scent looks like. Okay, so I've already pre-cut this box open here. Ooh. Look at that. That's what the inside looks like, and I love the minimal packaging. That's awesome. Let's see what it says. It says Skylar, skin loving, soul nurturing. So let's take this out. Okay, it looks like there's some instructions here. Let me just dump these peanuts out. Hold on. Onto my table. Okay, so it says ways to reuse. Capture your unboxing and put it on Instagram. Okay. Gram it. And then 2, store trinkets, Skylar products, and more inside the box. Okay, that makes sense. You could put stuff in here. Or it says, recycle the box and watch our biodegradable packing peanuts dissolve underwater. Oh, so these like dissolve in water and they're totally biodegradable. That is so cool. We're gonna have to test that in this video. So wait till the end to see the dissolving and see if it actually works. Okay, so this is what the April box looks like. This one is called Sun Shower, and the notes are cool, citrus, and dewy. Ooh, that sounds like a nice clean and fresh scent. That's awesome. It says on the back, scent notes are lemon leaves, jasmine tea, and meadow greens. I like the sound of those. They also have some layering ideas on the back, which I think is really cool. I think their scents are meant to be layered, so they mix well together, and these are the ones that they recommended for this particular scent. These two right there, if you can read those. I hope it's not backwards. I have no idea. It's backwards for me, so hopefully it's not for you, but that's what they recommend. Oh, and that's really cool too. It says a portion of proceeds from this month's scent will be donated to the National Park Foundation. So that's cool. And I'm pretty sure I saw on their website that they donate a portion of all their proceeds to a foundation called Step Up. And I think it's for like empowerment or at least helping young girls like in high school. So that's pretty cool. Also, if you're curious and you want to see what the ingredients are, there you go. Okay, so let's open this up and find out what it actually looks like. So it looks like you don't open it from the top, it just slides out like this. That's cute. I love the packaging. It's very luxe to me. That's what it looks like in the packaging. This bottle is actually bigger than I anticipated. I don't know if it's just fatter or what, but it looks like you get a lot in here. So that's what this looks like. I'm gonna try and zoom in on that and not my face. Come on. So that's what it looks like. Skylar Sun Shower. Let's open it up and see what it smells like. I'm so curious. That smells very clean and fresh, but also perfumey. You know what I mean? It's not like a cleaner by any means. Ooh, that smells really good, you guys. I think so many people would like this scent. It's like, it's not like fruity or super floral or anything like that. It's just a good, clean, fresh scent that I think tons of people would really, really love. So I was really excited when I found this because I'm always on the hunt for more natural, non-toxic, better for you products, especially for the body. And I really don't get the opportunity to wear perfumes ever because my husband is really sensitive to them. It gives him a headache. It just bothers him. So I just avoid it altogether. But when I saw this, I'm like, I wonder if this might work. And I love the idea that it's better for me too, not just for the people around me. So I'm really excited to try this out. I'm gonna have to see if it bothers him. Hopefully it doesn't because it smells delicious, but either way, I'm gonna wear this to work and I'm gonna wear it when I go out with my friends once in a while. So I'm really excited to have this because I don't have any other perfumes at all. Nothing. Not even scented lotion, you guys. And I feel like this is gonna last me a million years. I feel like even if I wore it like every single day, this is a lot of perfume and you don't put on very much at once. So I feel like this is gonna last a long time. My plan for this club membership was to just look at each month and see the previews, figure out whether that scent is something I really desire and I feel like would fit my personality and my mood at that time. And if it's in my budget, then I will definitely have it sent to me. And if not, I'll just skip it. Or I can always switch it out, like I said. I love that there's no pressure behind any of this and it's super simple and easy, and I love the message and the brand and what they're doing and what they're all about. I think it's really important to vote with your dollar, and that's exactly what you're doing when you're buying anything in life. There's also a fun affiliate referral program with Skylar, and that means if you use my link in the description box, then that would give you 50% off your first order, which makes it $10, free shipping and free exchanges. So if you're interested, please feel free to use that. That would also give me $20 in credit so I can keep getting some perfumes as well. So you don't have to use it if you don't want to. Don't feel pressured. But if you do want 50% off, use my link. I think 10 bucks is by far worth it, especially for the amount of product that you get and the quality that you're getting. Even if you just decide to do it one time and then cancel and never do it again, I think, hey, perfume, 10 bucks, really good quality, why not? So before we go, let's go test out the biodegradability, is that a word, of this peanut. All right, so moment of truth, we're gonna find out if this is actually water soluble and if it'll dissolve like they say it will. So, turn on the water and see what happens. Whoa. Oh man, that just dissolved almost instantly and it's gone. All right guys, so I'm gonna go enjoy this perfume. I'm gonna go put some on and see what happens. And I hope you guys had a good day. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you decide to sign up, let me know in the comments and tell me what scent you got. Bye guys.